Hi, in this video we will learn the SQL where class. In previous video we have learned how to create a database and a table, and after that how to add the values in the column, and now we will learn the where class. First I will tell you what is where class. The where class is used to filter records and it is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. Means you want the restaurant type where the address is Gurgaon. You want the restaurant where the restaurant type is cafe. So let's start how to use it. First, you can see the table. Select and execute. Here is your table. There is 5 rows in this table. Select and execute. Here you can see the value is only showing where the address is Noida. Copy it, paste. Select all from restaurant where restaurant type cafe. The only one value is showing where the restaurant type is cafe. So you can filter any record what you want. I hope you understood. Thank you.